Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Today we're going to be unboxing our economic class UNV Wi-Fi security cameras. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video of the UNV security camera economic series. Over here we have ourselves a UNV Ultra 265 video surveillance kit. What comes with it is six 4 megapixel IP cameras, a 4K NVR computer system, attached with 2 terabytes of storage. This is good for outdoor and indoor usage, and it's an easy plug-in and play system. And this includes night vision, along with the other features here, which are intrusion detection, cloud upgrade service, if you want to upgrade the cloud service that is provided with this following kit, a P2P cloud service, which is included, long-range PoE, long range of camera channels, IP67 weather resistance, and a smart IR light. And if we rotate the box over here, the following model here, which will be in the description, is the EK-S31P8T46T2-V2. And pretty much get things out of the box. Over here, as you see, this is a very nice packaging by UNV. This following box, the surveillance kit, this is good for homeowner residences and for installers. We have special prices for those. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us via the information below. As we go here and open up the box, actually, we're going to get the following content. We are greeted with a cardboard box. Very nice and well protected. Foam for extra insulation. Make sure the products are safe. And we go over here and let's pull out the following packages. We got a lot of stuff in here. We got ourselves the NVR, the 6 security cameras right over here, 6 4 megapixel IP cameras. You have your Ethernet cable. You have a complimentary mouse for the computer system. You have an HDMI cable to be able to display onto a monitor. And that is what we got in that box. Let's just go over here and move that to the side. Okay, so over here we have the supplies that just came out of the box. We have the 6 4 megapixel cameras along with the RJ45 Ethernet cable, complimentary mouse, HDMI cable, and under here is the NVR computer system itself. If we go here and open it up, we get the following contents in the box. As you see, this is very well packaged, very professional by UNV. We go here, we pull out the power cable, power bank, and the NVR computer system itself right over here. As you see, it's well wrapped in plastic, but you can also see everything from the components which is on it. Over here you have yourself a VGA connection along with HDMI connection. You have 2 USB 2.0 ports, RJ45 connection to connect to your router, and 8 PoE channels to hook up to 8 cameras to this NVR system. Very well made. Over here, we'll open up one of the cameras too, to also demo what's inside of it. We have ourselves the quick guide, the drill template, mounting joints, screws. These are waterproof joints. And the camera itself. As you see here, it is made a very good professional grade quality Over here you have the lens, the 4 megapixel lens, along with the IR light and a bunch of the other features within it. Here you have the option to use a micro SD card to be able to save videos on the micro SD card, or be able to reset the settings on the camera. And built in within this camera is the audio, video, along with the all other features. And this also, and this camera in specific will work for general use for anything you need. You can hook it up to Wi-Fi or hook it up to Ethernet. If you have any questions in regards to pricing for this camera, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.TechSecurityUSA.com. I'm Tufik, and I'm signing off.